Welcome to Gorgeous Floral. We're so excited to be here in this beautiful building in Hawley, Pennsylvania. It's 210 Wellwood Avenue. We are thrilled with the space and really thrilled to be a local florist in the area, bringing you fresh cut flowers, plants, and all things plant related. We have a wonderful retail shop with lots of new lines coming in every week. We are really excited to welcome anyone and everyone to an open house of all the Settlers properties. You can register online at any of the venues' websites. You'll be able to see the venues themselves, many of which have experienced a beautiful renovation in the last few months. We'd love for you to stop in Gorgeous Floral as well. We'll be here. And at each venue, there's going to be a cocktail mocktail, a bite from our amazing chefs, and some decor for inspiration at each venue too. So we hope you'll join us. It's going to be a great time.